Today is day 6 of the 100-day Homelab challenge. On the last step, we built a rack frame. Today we're going to fill it. Having learned from the mistake I've made by building the case for my switches and Raspberry Pis, I've decided to spend more time on the planning before filling up my rack. To plan where everything should go, I used Google Slides to quickly visualize where everything will go. The Lacquac hybrid has one major downside. It only has 4 out of the 18 rack units of space that could hold some heavy equipment. The two other design requirements that I had was I wanted to put the heavy stuff on the bottom for stability, and I wanted to put the network on the left and the power on the right. I decided to put a patch panel on the top, and just under it, the case that I made that will hold my switches. This will make the wiring way easier. In the future, I plan to buy a 2U UPS, so this will go right at the bottom because it will be the heaviest thing on the rack. Just above it will go my old PC used as the storage server. This will probably be the heaviest server on the whole rack. On top of it, just below the reinforcement of the middle, I will mount a power strip that will take care of the power. Just on top of that, I will use a shelf that will hold my water and my Philips Hue bridge. This will take about 2U of space. On top of that, there will be another shelf fixed on the reinforced part of the rack just below. On that shelf, I will put my desktop computer that will take around 5U of height. And with that, my rack is basically full. Once the rack was assembled, and when all that planning was done, I started removing everything from the corner where all my network stuff were piling up. This allowed me to finally dust off this corner, which was almost uncleanable before. That's one of the main reasons why I decided to mount wheels under my rack to make it easier to clean this space. Once the corner was free, I just rolled the rack in and started filling it up. But first, I need to draw a line between each rack unit of space. This will make it way easier to fill my rack. So then, I started filling up my server from the top. So I mounted the patch panel, empty for now, but we will do it later, just under the switch. Then I mounted the power strip, and then I slid down my storage server. On top of the server, I put my router and Philips Hue bridge, because I have yet to order the shelves. So then, I started wiring everything. I needed to do it quite quickly, because while everything was unplugged, my plug was obviously down. So now that I got a basic rack, what's the next step? So the next step of this challenge is going to be a little more software oriented, because I'm gonna turn my old PC into a storage server. So see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.